Welcome everyone to 10 Minutes Math. This is Edexcel Mathematics, Core Mathematics C34, June 2019, WMA 0201. Let us start the first question. F of x equal to 2x power 3 plus x minus 20. Show that equation f of x equal to 0 can be written as x equal to third root of a minus bx. So let us start to solve this part. This is part A. So part A, we have f of x equal to 2x power 3 plus x minus 20 equal to 0. So 2x power 3 equal to 20 minus x. So x power 3 equal to 20 minus x divided by 2. So it's a 10 minus half x. So now x equal to square the third root of 10 minus half x. And this is the equation he asked about, where a equal to 10 and b equal to half. Starting with x1 equal to 2.1, use iteration formula xn plus 1 equal to third root of ax minus bxn with the numerical value of a and b to calculate the value of x2 and x3, giving you an answer to 3 decimal places. So now this is part B. We have xn plus 1 equal to the third root of 10 minus half xn. And we have x1 equal to 2.1. x1 equal to 2.1. So n equal to 1. So x2 equal to the third root of 10 minus half x1. So it's third root of 10 minus half multiplied by 2.1. So let us bring our calculator. Now this is the third root, 10 minus 0.5 multiplied by 2.1. So x2 is equal to 2.076. So x2 2.076, and this is the first value of x2. Now x3 when n equal to 2. So x3 is equal to the third root of 10 minus half x2. So 10 minus half multiplied by 2.076. So x3 equal to, let us go to our calculator. Now go back here, multiplied by answer. So it's equal to 2.077. 2.077. And this is x3. Okay. Let us go ahead to the third part. Using suitable iteration, show that 2.077 is the root of the equation f of x equal to 0, correct to the 3 decimal place. So to start to solve this part, this is part C. Now 2.077, he asked about this part as a root. So we will check 2.0775 and we will check here 2.0765. So between them, we will see if the sign change, or so it means we have a root. So f of 2.0765 equal to f of x again is how much? 2x power 3, so 2 multiplied by 2.0765 power 3 plus x, which is 2.0765 minus 20. So let us bring now our calculator. 2 multiplied by 2.0765 here power 3 plus 2.0765 minus 20. So minus 0.163. So this value minus 0.01 0.0163. 0.0163. So negative value. Now f of 2.0775. 2 multiplied by 2.0775 power 3 plus 2.0775 minus 20. So we'll go to again to the same equation. In a state of 6 here, make it 7. And we go here in a state of 6, we change it to 7. So now positive, so the value here is positive. So it's equal to positive 0.0105. So 0.0105. So positive value. So here negative, so change from negative to positive. So root at 2.077. Okay. Now the last part, hence state root to 3 decimal place of the equation 2x plus 2 power 3 plus x minus 18. So to solve this part, so this is part, the last part, which is D. Now the equation is 2 multiplied by x plus 2 power 3 plus x minus 18 equal to 0. So 2x plus 2 power 3 plus x plus 2 minus 20 equal to 0. So now here this is the same x. So the x plus 2, here this x is equal to what? The root we have 2.077. So from here x is equal to 0.077. And this is the root in it, 0.077. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. Find the integration for x plus 3 divided by x dx, where x is bigger than 0. So he need the integration. So integration of 4x plus 3 divided by x dx is equal to 4x divided by x plus 3 divided by x dx. So this x with this x, so it's equal to integration of 4 plus 3 divided by x dx. So it's equal to 4x plus 3 ln x plus c. And this is the integration. Given that y equal to 25 and the x equal to 1, solve the differential equation. So let us start the second part. Now this is part B. For part B, now we have dy by dx equal to 4x plus 3 divided by x multiplied by y power half. So let us make cross multiplier. So 1 over y power half will equal to 4x plus 3 divided by x. Here will be dx, here will be dy. So let us take so y minus half dy will equal to 4x plus 3 divided by x dx. Let us take the integration and the integration. So the integration of this one is 1 over half y power half, because here minus half plus 1 is equal to half. 1 over half equal to, this part we already calculate from here, 4x plus 3 ln x plus c. Now he gives us the condition at y equal to 25, y equal to 25 at x equal to 1. So y equal to 25 at x equal to 1. So this part 2, square root of 25, because y power half is square root of 25, equal to 4 multiplied by 1 plus 3 ln 1 plus c. Ln 1 is equal to 0. So 2 multiplied by 5 minus 4 equal to c. So from here c equal to 6. So now the equation 2y power half equal to 4x plus 3 ln x plus 6. He needed in this formula y gx power square. So let us now, this is the square root of y equal to divided by 2. Let us divide it all by 2. 2x plus 3 over 2 ln x plus 3. Now y is equal to 2x plus 3 over 2 ln x plus 3 square. And this is the answer you need for this question. Let us go ahead to another one. A curve C has a parametric equation x equal to square root of 3 tan theta, y equal to 6 squared theta, and theta bigger than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to pi over 3. The Cartesian equation of C is y equal to f of x, where x is bigger than or less than 0 and less than or equal to k, where k is a constant. State the value of k. So this is part A. Now theta bigger than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to pi over 3. We have x bigger than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to k. We need to find the k. To find the k, we will use theta equal to pi over 3. So x equal to square root of 3 tan pi divided by 3. So it's equal to square root of 3 by tan 180 divided by 3. So the answer is equal to 3. So k equal to 3. Now find f of x in its simplest form. So we need f of x. So this is part B. Now y equal to sec squared theta, and we know that sec squared is 1 plus tan squared theta. And x is equal to square root of 3 tan theta. So from here tan theta equal to x divided by square root of 3. So y equal to 1 plus x divided by square root of 3 square. So from here y equal to 1 plus 1 over 3 x squared. And this is the answer of this question. Now, hence or otherwise, find the gradient of the curve at the point where theta is equal to pi over 6. So gradient of the curve, this is part C, we need the gradient dy by dx is the gradient, is equal to 1 over 3 multiplied by 2x. So the gradient is 2 over 3x. Now dy dx at theta equal to pi divided by 6 equals to 2 over 3 multiplied by x is equal to square root of 3 tan pi over 6, which is what? Which is the theta. Let us go ahead. So tan 180 divided by 6 equal to 1. So it's equal to, so dy by dx equal to 2 over 3 multiplied by 1. So it's 2 over 3. And this is the gradient of this line. Okay? Let us go ahead to another question. The curve C has equation 3ye minus 2x equal to 4x power 3 x squared plus y squared plus 2. Find dy by dx in terms of x and y. So now we have 3ye minus 2x equal to 4x squared plus y squared plus 2. Let us take dy by dx. So let us make the differentiation for whole the equation. This part first multiplied by the second one, and then the second one multiplied by the first one. So 3 dy by dx multiplied by e minus 2x plus first part 3y multiplied by minus 2 the differentiation of e multiplied by e minus 2x. This part was equal to 4 multiplied by 2x plus 2y dy by dx. Okay. Now we find the first part. Let us start to simplify. So I have 3 e minus 2x dy by dx plus, so minus will be minus 6y e minus 2x. This part was equal to 8x plus 2y dy by dx. Let us bring this part to the another side and bring this one to this side. So we will have 3e minus 2x minus 2y dy by dx equal to 8x plus 6y e minus 2x. So dy by dx will equal to 8x plus 6y e minus 2x divided by 3e e minus 2x minus 2y. And this is the answer of this question. Let us go ahead to another part. The point B on C has a coordinate 0 and 2. Find the equation of the normal to C. So we need the perpendicular to C at B, given your answer in form of ymx plus C, where m and c are a constant to be found. Let us start to solve this part. We know that m, so this is part B, m is equal to dy by dx. And m perpendicular is equal to minus 1 over m. So let us find m first. M equal to dy by dx at point 0 and 2. So it's equal to 8 multiplied by 0 plus 6 multiplied by 2 e0 divided by 3 e0 minus 2 multiplied by 2. So this is 0, e0 1 and e0 1. So 12 divided by 3 minus 4. So the answer is minus 12. So m perpendicular now is equal to minus 1 divided by m. So it's equal to 1 over 12. So y equal to mx plus c. Again, we have point 0 and 2. So 2 equal to 0 plus c. So from here, c equal to 2. So the equation y equal to 1 over 12 x plus 2. And this is the answer. So m equal to 1 over 12 and c equal to 2. And this is the answer of this question. Let us go ahead to another one. A bath is filled with a hot water. The temperature 0 Celsius of the water is in the bath, and T. A bath is filled with hot water. The temperature theta degrees Celsius of the water in the bath T minutes after the bath has been filled is given by theta is equal to 20 plus a e power minus kt, where a and k are positive constants. Given that temperature of the water in the bath is initially here means T equal to 0, 38 degrees Celsius. Find the value of A. So at T equal to 0, this is part A. At T equal to 0, theta equal to 38. So theta equal to 20 plus E minus KT. So 38 equal to 20 plus E minus K, here A minus K multiplied by 0. So this part now equal to 1. So 38 minus 20 will equal to A. So from here, A equal to 18. The temperature of the water in the bath 16 minutes after the bath has been filled. So this is T equal to 16. As the temperature is equal to, this is theta, 24.5. Show that K is equal to 1 over 8 ln 2. So let us now go, this is B. we have t equal to 16, and theta equal to 24.5. Theta 24.5, and the A already calculated equal to 18. So we need K. So again, the equation theta equal to 20 plus A multiplied by E minus KT. So theta is equal to 24.5 equal to 20 plus 18 multiplied by E minus K multiplied by 16. So 20 will go this side with negative, so 4.5 equal to 18 E minus 16K. So 4.5 divided by 18 equal to E minus 16K. 4.5 divided by 18 equal to 0.25, so 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 equal to E minus 16K. Let us take len both direction. So len 1 over 4 equal to minus 16K. So len this 4 is 2 minus 2 equal to minus 16K. So minus 2 len 2 equal to minus 16K. So this minus with this minus, so K equal to 2 divided by 16 len 2. So it's 1 over 8 len 2. And this is the answer you need in the question up here. Okay, 1 over 8 len 2. Using the value for K and A, find the temperature of the water 40 minutes after the bath has been filled, given your answer 3 significant figures. So T equal to 40. We need theta. So now T equal to 40, theta equal to 20 plus A is equal to 18, E minus 1 over 8 len 2 multiplied by T, and T equal to 40. So theta 20 plus 18 E minus 40 divided by 8, which is 5 len 2. Let us start to find this value. 20 plus 18 multiplied by E minus 5 len 2. 20.56. So theta 20.56. How many digits you need? You need 3 significant figures. So theta equal to 20.6 degrees Celsius. This is 3 significant figures. Now explain why the temperature of the water in the bath cannot be full to 19, because actually this part all the time is positive. So we have theta, so this is part D. We have theta equal to 20 plus here positive value. It's never to be negative. So theta bigger than 20. So theta will not ever equal to 19. Okay, this is the answer of the question. Let us go ahead to another one. Figure 1 shows sketch of the graph with equation y equal to absolute 4x plus 10a, where a is a positive constant. The graph cuts the y-axis at point B and made the x-axis at point Q, as shown in figure. So at Q, y equal to 0, at B, x equal to 0. Now, state the coordinate of V, state the coordinate of Q. Now, at Q, y equal to 0. So, absolute, so 4x plus 10a, so 0 will equal to 4x plus 10a, so x is equal to minus 10a divided by 4. So it's minus, this is 2, this is 5, minus 5 over 2a. So for Q, the coordinate of Q minus 5 over 2a and 0. At B, x equal to 0. So y equal to 4 multiplied by 0 plus 10a. So y equal to 10a. So now B, coordinate B is equal to 0 and 10a. Okay, and this is the answer of this question. Now, a copy of figure 1 is shown on page 15. On this copy, sketch a graph with equation y equal to absolute x minus a. Show on the sketch coordinate of each point when your graph cut or met the coordinate axis. So now, this is the answer of this part. This is part B. Y equal to absolute x minus a. Okay. Now, hence, otherwise, solve the equation for x plus 10a equal to absolute x minus a. So, given your answer in terms of a. So, actually, you need these 2 points here, this one, this one. You need the coordinate of this point. So, see, you need now to solve the equation for x plus 10a equal to absolute x minus a. Now, what is the situation? This x all the time is negative. This part all the time is negative because the coordinate here is negative. X here, the first one and second one is negative. So we can write now the equation positive or negative. 4x plus 10a equal to minus x minus a. All the time x is negative. So now we have 4x plus 10a equal to minus x minus a. This is the first one. The second one, minus 4x minus 10a equal to minus x minus a. From here, this x come here, so 5x equal to, and this one come here, negative 11a. So x is equal to minus 11 divided by 5a, and this is the first value of x. Now from here, this x come this side, so minus 3x equal to, this part come on another side, so 9a. So x is equal to minus 3a. And this is the value of x. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. Express 5 cosine theta minus 3 sine theta in terms of r cosine theta plus alpha, where r bigger than 0 and alpha bigger than 0 and less than pi over 2. Give the exact value of r and give the value of alpha in radian for significant place. So let us start to solve this question. This is part A. We know that R cosine theta plus alpha is equal to R cosine theta cosine alpha minus sine theta sine alpha. So we have in the expression 5 cosine theta minus 3 sine theta. So from here cosine alpha is R cosine alpha is equal to 5 and R sine alpha is equal to 3. So let us start to draw our triangle. This is alpha. So cosine from these two equations, cosine alpha is equal to 5 divided by R, and sine alpha is equal to 3 divided by R. So now R equal to square root of 3 squared plus 5 squared, so square root of 9 plus 25, so square root of 34. Then alpha equal to 3 over 5. So from here alpha is equal to, let us bring our calculator, change from shift down degree to radian, shift 10 minus 1, 3 divided by 5. So alpha is equal to 0.5404. 0.5404 radian. And 4 significant. 4 decimal place. Okay, so this is R and this is alpha. Let us go ahead. The height of seawater H meter on the harbor wall is modeled by the equation, this one, where T is the number of hours after midday. Calculate the time at which model predicts that the height of seawater on the harbor wall will be 4.6 meter. Give your answers to the nearest minutes. So we need what? Given H, we need T. So this is the situation now. This is number B. So we have H. Let us go to the equation. We have H equal to 6 plus 2.5 cosine minus 1.5 sine. This part here 2.5 and 1.5, here 5 and 3, so it's a half. So I can write now H equal to 6 plus half 5 cosine theta minus 3 sine theta. 5 cosine theta minus 3 sine theta, so H equal to 6 plus half R cosine theta plus alpha. From here we get R cosine theta plus alpha, where H is equal to 4.6 and theta is equal to, how much is theta? This value, 4 by T divided by 25. 4 by T divided by 25. Okay, this is theta. And how much alpha? Alpha now is equal to 0.5404. So let us now find this value. So 4.6 will equal to 6 plus half root of r, square root of 34. 34 cosine, keep theta plus 0.5404. So we can write now cosine theta plus 0.5404 will equal to 4.6 minus 6 multiplied by 2 divided by square root of 34. So this is our cosine, which is equal to minus 0.4802. So now we can say that theta plus 0.5404 equal to cosine minus 1 minus 0.4802. So theta plus 0.5402 equal to 4 shaft cosine minus 1 answer 2.0717. And we know that 2 pi minus 2.0717 will give us again the cosine. So we have the 2 multiplied by minus answer, so 4.2115. 4.2115. So from here theta will equal to, let us find the answer, so minus 0.5404, 3.671, and theta equal to 2.0717 minus 0.5404, so 1.5313. Theta again equal to 4 by t divided by 25. 4 by t, which is this one. 4 by t divided by 25. So now t equal to 3.671 multiplied by 25 divided by 4 pi, and the t equal to 1.5313 multiplied by 25 divided by 4 pi. Let us find the two value. So multiplied by 25 divided by 4 divided by pi. So 3.05, 3.05. To find it in hour, we go direct here. So it's 3 hours and 2 minutes and 47 seconds. 3 hours, 2. So this value is what? This value here is hour. So the second t was equal to 3.671 multiplied by 25 divided by 4 divided by pi. So it's equal to 7.3 hours. So I need it in minutes because he asked here is what? ask find d to nearest minutes. So to nearest minutes, let us find how many minutes. So 7.3 multiplied by 60. So it's 400. So t 438 minutes. T 438 minutes. And here 3.05 multiplied by 60, 183 minutes. And this is the answer of this question. Figure 2 shows sketch of part of curve y equals to f of x, where f of x is equal to 6x plus 2 divided by 3x squared plus 5. Find f dash of x, writing your answer as a single fraction in the simplest form. So let us now find this part. As we know that if we have f of x, if we have d by dx, and we have here f of x divided by g of x, so the answer is equal to g of x squared, and here in the top g of x multiplied by f dash of x minus f dash of x multiplied by g dash of x. Okay, so let us now write the equation. We have f of x, the f of x here is equal to 6x plus 2, 6x plus 2 divided by 3x squared plus 3x squared plus 5. So if we make the same rules here, so f dash of x is equal to 3x squared plus 5 squared. Now g of x, which is 3x squared plus 5 multiplied by f dash of x, which is this one, 6, minus f of x, which is the top here, 6x plus 2 multiplied by the differentiation of this one, 2 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x. This is the differentiation of this one. Okay, so it's equal to 3x squared plus 5 squared. Here 18x squared plus 30 minus 6 multiplied by 6, 36x minus 4, 12x. This is x squared. Okay, so it's equal to minus 18x squared plus 30 minus 12x divided by 3x squared plus 5 squared. So it's equal to f dash of x minus 6, 3x squared plus 2x minus 5 divided by 3x squared plus 5 squared. And this is the final answer. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. The curve has two turning points, maximum at A and minimum at B, as shown in figure, which is this one, A and B. Using part A, find the coordinate of point A and coordinate of point B. So he needs the coordinate. So let us start solve this one. So to find the coordinate, f dash of x equal to 0 will give us the maximum and the minimum. So from here, minus 6, 3x squared plus 2x minus 5 will equal to 0. So this 6 go. So the remaining 3x multiplied by x, and then 5 multiplied by 1, so 5 and 1. So we needed positive 5x, 3x, so this is positive, this is negative, equal to 0. So from here, 3x plus 5 equal to 0, and x minus 1 equal to 0, so x equal to 1, and x equal to minus 5 over 3. Now this is A, and this is the x of B. So now for coordinate A. Now where is the equation? F of x, 6 multiplied by 6x plus 2. Let's write it here. F of x, we have f of x equal to 6x plus 2 divided by 3x squared plus 5. So at x equal to 1, f of x equal to 6 multiplied by 1 plus 2 divided 3 multiplied by 1 plus 5. So it's equal to 8 divided by 6, 8, and 3 plus 5, 8. So it's 1. So point A, 1, 1. This is the first point. Okay. Second one, for point B. Now f of x equal to 6 multiplied by minus 5 over 3 plus 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 25 divided by 9 plus 5. Let us find this value. 6 multiplied by minus 5 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 25 divided by 9 plus 5. So minus 3 over 5. So the answer here minus 3 over 5. Minus 3 over 5. So point B minus 5 over 3 and minus 3 over 5. And this is the answer of this part. State coordinate of maximum turning point of the function of the equation f y equal to f2x plus 4. So the equation here, now this is part C. Now we know that the maximum turning point, which is A, 1, 1. This is the maximum. This is the maximum. So now the equation y equal to f2x plus 4. So the coordinate maximum point will equal to, this is 2x, so we multiply this one by half. 1 multiplied by half. This is plus 4, so the y plus 4. 1 plus 4. So it's equal to half and 5. And this is the maximum turning point. Okay. Again, The last one, find the range of the function g of x, 6x plus 2 divided by 3x squared plus 5. So we need the range. The range, this is part D. Range y bigger than or equal. Bigger than or equal what? This one. Minus 5 over minus 3 over 5. This one. So y is bigger than minus 3 over 5 and less than or equal. The maximum range of y is 1. 1 minus 3 over 5 will give us 2 over 5. And this is the range of y. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. Using the formula for sine a plus b and the relevant double angle formula, find an identity for sine 3x given your answer in the form sine 3x is equal to b sine x plus q sine cube x. To start to solve this question, we need to use all the formula that we know. So this is part A. We know that sine A plus B equal to sine A cosine B plus cosine A sine B. So 3x, it's a 2x, so sine 2x plus x. It's equal to sine 2x cosine 2x cosine x. This is A and this is B. Plus cosine 2x sine x. So now we need sine 2x and we need cosine 2x. We know that sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cosine sine x cosine x. And we know that cosine 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared x. So let us go now to sine 3x is equal to sine 2x, which is 2 sine x cosine x multiplied by cosine x plus cosine 2x 1 minus 2 sine squared x multiplied by sine x. So it's equal to 2 sine x cosine squared x plus sine x minus 2 sine cube x. Now we know that cosine squared x is equal to 1 minus sine squared x. So let us go again here. So it's equal to 2 sine x multiplied by 1 minus sine squared x plus sine x minus 2 sine power 3x. So now it's equal to 2 sine x minus 2 sine power 3x plus sine x minus 2 sine power 3x. So now sine 3x equal to this part plus this part, 3 sine x. Here minus 4, 2 plus 2, 4 sine power 3x, and this is the final answer. Now B equal to 3 and the Q equal to minus 4. let us go ahead. Hence, showing each step of your working, evaluate integration pi over 6 to pi over 2 sine 3x cosine x dx. So he need now, this is part B, you need the integration from pi over 6 to pi over 2 sine 3x multiplied by cosine x dx. So now we have the sine 3x, so we can make the integration. It's equal to integration pi over 6 to pi over 2. This part now, 3 sine x minus 4 sine power 3x cosine x dx. So let us use u and v. So u equal to sine x. So from here, du by dx is equal to cosine x. So from here, du is equal to cosine x dx, which is this part. But I need to change also the integration. So u1 is equal to sine pi over 6 and u2 is equal to sine pi over 2. Let us find the two value. So sine pi divided by 6 is equal to half. This one is half, and the second one divided by 2 equal to 1. Equal to, so here the value is 1. So now I can change the integration. It will be from half to 1. What? 3u minus 4 u power 3. Now du cosine x dx du. Now the integration is very easy. So it's equal to direct 3 divided by 2 u squared minus 4 divided by 4 u power 4 from half to 3 to 1. From half to 1. So it's equal to 3 over 2 multiplied by 1 minus, this is 1 minus 1 minus 3 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2 or 4. So let us now start to find this value. Open the first 3 divided by 2 minus 1, close the bracket. Minus, open the second one, 3 divided by 2 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 2 and the power here 4. And then close the bracket. So 3 over 16. So the final answer of the integration 3 over 16. And this is the final answer. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. Use the binomial series to find the expression of 1 divided by 2 plus 3x power 3, where x is less than 2 over 3. In ascending power of x up to and including the term of x squared. So you need now until x squared. Okay, let us start to solve this question. This is part A. Now we have 1 divided by 2 plus 3 x power 3. So it's equal to 2 plus 3x power minus 3. Let us take this 2 outside, or divided by 2 divided by 2. So it will be 1 over 2 power 3 and 1 plus 3 over 2x power minus 3. So it's equal to 1 over 8, 1 plus 3 over 2x power minus 3. Using binomial equation, so it's equal to 1 over 8, open the bracket, 1 plus, now n, which is minus 3, multiplied by x, which is 3 over 2x, plus n, which is minus 3, multiply n minus 1, which is minus 4, divided by 2 factorial, multiplier by 3 over 2x power 2. And this is the n because he needs x power 2. So 1 over 8, 1 plus minus 9 divided by 2x. Now minus minus plus 3 multiplier by 4 divided by 2 multiplier by 9 divided by 4 x squared. This 4 goes with this 4, so it's equal to 1 over 8 minus 9 divided by 16 plus 27, 2 multiplied by 8 divided by 16, here we have x, here we have x squared. And this is the final answer. Okay, so 1 over 8 minus 9 over 2 minus 9 over 16 x plus 27 divided by 16 x squared. Okay, let us go ahead. Hence or otherwise, find the coefficient of x squared in the series expression here. Let us start to solve this part. So now 1 over, let us write each one of them. So this is b double I. So now 1 over 2 plus 6x power 3. The main one is 1 divided by 2 plus 3x power 3. Here 6x, here 3x. So 6x is equal to 2 multiplied by 3x. And he need now the coefficient of what? Of the x squared. So the previous one, 27 divided by 16 multiplied by, instead of, this is our x. So instead of x, it will be 2x power squared. So it's a 27 divided by 16 multiplied by 4x squared. So this one was this one 4. So 27 divided by 4x squared. So the coefficient is equal to 27 divided by 4. And this is the answer of this part. Okay. Now let us go ahead. 4 minus x divided by 2 plus 3x power what? Power 3. So the situation now, this is double I. Again, this is 4 minus x. 4 minus x divided by 2 plus 3x power 3. And the main one is 1 divided by 2 plus 3x power 3. So now we multiply the main one by what? By x minus 4, 4 minus x. So we have 4 minus x. Multiplied by now the total part that we calculated from here. 1 over 8 minus 9 over 16 x plus 27 over 16 x squared, which is what? This part, 27 divided over 16 x squared. Now he need the x squared, so 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied 27 divided by 16. 4 multiplied by 27 divided by 16. Now minus x here will give us plus 9 over 16, all of them here multiplied by x squared. So let us find the coefficient. We have 4 multiplied by 27, 4 multiplied by 27 plus 9, so 117 x squared, so coefficient is equal to 117 divided by 16, and this is the answer of this question. Let us go ahead to another one. Given 9 divided by t squared multiplied by t minus 3 equivalent to a divided by t plus b divided by t squared plus c divided by 3 minus t minus 3, find the value of the constant a, b, and c. Let us start to solve this part. So this is part A. This is the situation: 9 divided by t squared t minus 3 equal to a divided by t plus b divided by t squared plus c divided by t minus 3. Let us take the common factor t squared t minus 3. So 9 will equal to a t squared divided by t minus 3 plus b, here t squared, so t minus 3 plus c multiplied by t squared. Now at t equal to 0, let us add t equal to 0. So this part will go, this part will go, so 9 will equal to b 0 minus 3. So from here b equal to minus 3. And this is the first part that we have. Second one, let us add t equal to 3. So here will be 0, here will be 0. So 9 equal to c multiplied by 3 squared. So from here c is equal to 1. Now t squared, here we don't have t squared, so the value, the factor of t squared is equal to 0. So we have a t squared plus c t squared is equal to 0 multiplied by t squared. So a plus c equal to 0. So from here a plus 1 equal to 0. So a equal to minus 1. So this is the 3 factor a, b, and c. Okay, let us go ahead. The integration from 4 to 12, 9 divided by t squared t minus 3 dt. Find the exact value of the integration given your answer in the form of ln a minus b. Ln a minus b, where a and b are positive constants. So let us start to solve this part. We have the integration, so we have the values now. So I can write this is part b. The integration r, which is from 4 to 12, 9 divided by t squared t minus 3 dt is equal to, from 4 to 12, Now a is equal to minus 1 divided by t plus b is equal to minus 3, so minus 3 divided by t squared plus c is 1, so 1 divided by t minus 3, and all of that dt. Let us find the integration, so this I will equal to minus ln t minus 3 divided by here t minus 2, so it will be minus 1, so minus t. Now plus ln t minus 3, all of this from 4 to 12. So it's equal to minus ln t plus 3 over t plus ln t minus 3. So let us start to put this both together. So it's equal to 3 over t plus ln t minus 3 divided by t, because this is negative, so from 4 to 12, and here from 4 to 12. So now it's equal to 3 divided by 12 plus ln 12 minus 3 divided by 12 minus 3 divided by 4 minus ln 4 minus 3 divided by 4. So it's equal to, let us take the common factor 12 divided by 4, so it's 3 minus 9 plus, this is 9, so it will be 9 divided by 12 minus ln, this is 1 over 4. So it's equal to minus 6 divided by 12 plus ln 9 divided by 12 divided 1 over 4. So it's equal to minus half plus ln 9 divided by 12 multiplied by 4. So divided by 4, 1 here, 3 here, 3. So the final answer of I, the integration I, is equal to minus half plus ln 3. So A equal to 3 and B equal to half. And we need to write again integration equal to ln 3 minus half. So it will be the same form that you need. Okay, let us go ahead. Now, figure 3 shows sketch of part of curve C with a parametric equation x is equal to 2 ln t minus 3 and y equal to 6 divided by t, where t is bigger than 3. The finite region R shaded in the figure 3 is bounded by the curve C, the y-axis, the x-axis, and the line with equation x equal to 2 ln 9. The region R is rotated 360 about x-axis. To form a solid revolution, show that the exact volume of the solid revolution is k multiplied by I, where k is a constant to be found. The volume is equal to integration by and y squared, which is the area, dx. And here x starts at 0 to 2 ln 9. So let us start to solve this part of the question. So again, this is part C. The situation of part C the integration, you need the volume, so the volume is equal to integration again from 0 to 2 ln 9 by y squared dx. This is the volume. We have x equal to 2 ln t minus 3 and y equal to t divided by 6 divided by t. 6 divided by t. So we need to change dx to be dt. So dx by dt is equal to 2 divided by t minus 3. This is the differentiation of x about t. So now dx equal to 2 divided by t minus 3 dt. And this is the first part that we need. Second part, we need to change this x to bt. So for x equal to 0, 0 equal to 2 ln 3 t minus 3. So when the ln is equal to 0, when it's ln 1, so t minus 3 equal to 1. So from here t equal to 4. Now for x equal to the second part of the integration, 2 ln 9. 2 ln 9. So from here 2 ln 9 equal to 2 ln t minus 3. So t minus 3 equal to 9. This part must be equal to this part. So t equal to 12. And this is the second part. So now we can change the volume, the integration of the volume equal to integration. Here 4 to 12 by y is equal to 6 divided by t, so 6 divided by t squared. Multiplier by dx is equal to what? Dx is t divided by t minus 3. 2 divided by t minus 3 dt. So it's equal to 4, 12. Now by multiplied by 36 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 squared multiplied by t minus 3 dt. So it's equal to from 4 to 12 by multiplied by 4 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 2 t squared divided by t minus 3 dt. So it's equal to from 4 to 12 8 by 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8 multiplied by 9 divided by t squared t minus 3 dt. 8 by is a constant, so we take it outside. So 8 by integration from 4 to 12 9 divided by t squared t minus 3 dt, which is I, so it's equal to 8 by I. And this is the volume. So K equal to 8 by. And this is the answer of this question. Let us go ahead to another one. Relative to fixed origin O, the point A has a position vector and the point B has a position vector and point C has a position vector. The line L passes through the point A and B. Find the vector AB. So this question is a direct vector question. So this is part A. AB as a vector is equal to B as a vector minus A as a vector. Sometimes the people write OB vector minus OA vector. Also the same. So it's equal to B again, 3i plus 2j plus 5k. So 3i plus 2j plus 5k minus a as a vector. A as a vector, 2, 3 minus 2. So 2i plus minus 3j minus 2k. So a, b as a vector will equal to 3 minus 2 is 1, plus 2 plus 3, so plus 5j, 5 plus 2 plus 7k. And this is the answer of the first part in this question. Find a vector equation of the line L. So the vector equation, this is part B. So R as a vector is equal to the vector position is equal to OA plus lambda AB. So it's equal to A 2I minus 3j minus 2k plus lambda I plus 5j plus 7k. And this is the answer of this part. Let us go ahead to another part. Show that the size of the angle CAB is 62.8 to 1 decimal place. So he need now the angle. So we know that if this is A, B, and C, so he need the angle CAB. So angle CAB, he need this angle, which is this one. So the equation is AB as a vector dot AC as a vector is equal to the determinant of AB dot AC multiplied by cosine the angle ACAB, which is this angle theta. Okay, so AB, AC, the two line of the angle. So let us find now AB as a vector. We already find before, which is I plus 5j plus 7k. This is the first one we calculated here, which is this one. So the determinant of AB is equal to square root of 1 plus 5 squared plus 7 squared. So square root of 1 plus 25 plus 49. So it's equal to 75. Square root of 75. Now AC as a vector is equal to COC as a vector minus OA as a vector. So it's equal to C 2I plus 4j minus 3k minus A 2I minus 3j minus 2k. So AC, so it's equal to 0I plus 4 plus 3 plus 7j minus plus 2, so minus k. So now the determinant of AC is equal to square root of 49 plus 1, so square root of 50. Now AB dot AC equal to, now 1 multiplied by 0 equal to 0. 5 multiplied by 7. So plus 5 multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by minus 1 plus 7 multiplied by minus 1. So 35 minus 7, so it's 28. So now cosine theta is equal to 28 divided by square root of 75 multiplied by square root of 50. Take into consideration this value is positive and negative. So from here, theta equal to, let us start to find this theta. Shift cosine minus 1, 28 divided by square root of 75 divided by square root of 50. Divided by square root of 50. So 62, the angle is equal to 62.79. 62.79 degrees. So theta is equal to 62.8 degrees. And this is the answer of this question. Let us go ahead to another part. Hence, find the area of the triangle CAB given your answer to 3 significant figure. So if this is again the triangle, so the area of this triangle is AC multiplied half AC multiplied by AB multiplied by sin theta. So the area of, so this is part C, part D. So area equal to half multiplied by AC multiplied by AB multiplied by sin theta. So half square root of 75 multiplied by square root of 50 multiplied by sin 62.8. So the area is equal to sin answer multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by square root of 75 multiplied by 50. Square root of 75 multiplied by 50. So the area is equal to 27.2. 27.2. Let us go ahead to another part. So 3 significant figures, so 27.2, right. The point D lie on the line L. Given that the area of the triangle CAD is twice the area of the triangle CAB, find the 2 possible positions of vector of point D. So where is L? L, the line L is here. So this is the line L. The triangle is twice, so lambda is equal to 2. Lambda is equal to 2. So let us start to solve this part. This is part E. Now line L we calculated before, which is equal to 2I minus 3J minus 2K plus lambda plus or minus lambda I plus 5J plus 7K. Triangle is equal to the another triangle, so lambda is equal to 2. So now the vector D is equal to 2I minus 3J minus 2K plus or minus 2I plus 5J plus 7k. So the first possible value for D is equal to 2 plus 2i plus minus 3 plus 10j plus minus 2 plus 14. So it's equal to 4i plus 7j plus 12k. This is the first value of the vector D. Second value will be D. Now 2 minus 2 plus an I plus minus 3 minus 10 in J plus minus 2 minus 14 in K. 0i minus 13j minus 16k. And this is the second possible value of D. Let us go ahead to another question. Figure 4 shows sketch of the curve with equation y equal to 12x squared ln 2x squared, where x bigger than 0. The finite region R shown shaded in the figure 4 is bounded by the curve, the line with equation x equal to 1, the x-axis, and the line with equation x equal to 2. This is x equal to 1, this is x equal to 2, and the x-axis. The table below shows corresponding value of x and y for y equal to 12x squared ln 2x squared, with the value of y given to a significant figure. Use trapezium rules with all the value of y to obtain estimate for the area of R. Let us find the h. So here, two significant figure, he need the answer. So here 0.25, here 0.25. So h equal to 0.25. So area equal to h 0.25 divided by 2, open the brackets, the first number 8.32 plus the last one 99.8 plus 2 multiplied by the remaining 21.4 plus 40.6 plus 66.6. So the area, so 0.25 divided by 2 multiplied by, open the bracket, 8.32 plus 99.8 plus 2 multiplied by, open the second one, 21.4 plus 40.6 plus 66.6, close, enter. So 45.665. So the answer here 45.665. So he need two significant figure. So area 46. The area is equal to 46. Okay. Now use substitution u equal to x squared to show that the area of R is given by this part. So the area of R, area was equal to integration from 1 to 2 and y dx. This is the area under the curve. So let us now find this area. So this is part B. He asked us using u equal to x squared. Find the area. Area of R is equal to integration from 1 to 2 y dx, where y equal to 12 x squared ln 2x. This is 2x squared. Substitute, we have u equal to x squared, so from here du equal to 2x dx. X equal to 1, so u equal to 1. X equal to, according to the given data here, x equal to 2, u equal to 4. So R, the area of R is equal to integration. Now let us start to remove the x equal to 1 to u equal to 1 and 4. And y 12 u ln 2 u multiplied by dx, u divided by 2x. So it's equal to, from 1 to 4, 12u ln 2u multiplied by du divided by 2x. X is equal to square root of u. So it's equal to, from 1 to 4, 12u ln 2u multiplied by du divided by 2 square root of u. This one was go with this one 6. So it's equal to, from 1 to 4, 6 u divided by square root of u equal to u power half ln 2u du. And this is the area of R. And this is the exact equation that you ask about. 6u power half ln 2u du from 1 to 4. Hence, using calculus, find the exact area of R, writing your answer in the form a plus b ln 2, where a and b are constant to be found. So we need to make the integration. We need to create this integration. So the integration from 1 to 4, 6u power half ln 2u du. We know that if we have integration u v dx, it's equal to u integration of v dx minus integration of u dash multiplied by integration of v dx, all of them dx. So u will equal to ln 2u, so u dash is equal to 2 divided by 2u. So u dash 1 over u. The second one, which is the integration of 6u power half du, is equal to 6 multiplied by 1 over 3 over 2 multiplied by u 3 over 2. So it's equal to 6 multiplied by 2 over 3 u 3 over 2. So this one will give us 4u 3 over 2. So let us go ahead in the equation. So the integration 1 over 4, 6u power half ln 2u du will equal to, now u, which is ln 2u, so ln 2u multiplied by the integration, which is 4u 3 over 2, minus integration of this integration is 4u 3 over 2 multiplied by u dash 1 over u du. So let us go ahead. It's equal to, again, 4u 3 over 2 len 2u minus. Now this one with this one will give us integration 4u half, because we might 3 over 2 minus 1 is equal to half du. So it's equal to 4u 3 over 2 len 2u minus 4 here plus, so multiply by 2 over 3 u 3 over 2. So it's equal to the final answer now 4u 3 over 2 len 2u minus 8 over 3u 3 over 2. So this is the value now. Let us now start to make this integration from 1 to 4. From 1 to 4. So it's equal to 4u, so 4 3 over 2 len 2 multiplied by 4 minus 8 over 3 multiplied by 4 3 over 2 minus 4u 3 over 2 len 2 1 3 over 2 len 2 minus 8 over 3 multiplied by 1 3 over 2. 4 multiplied by 4 power 1.5 will equal to 32. So we have here 32 len 8 minus here 4 len 2. This is the first part. Second part, here minus, here will be plus. So let us find this part. 8 divided by 3 multiplied by 4 power 1.5 minus 8 divided by 3 minus 8 divided by 3, 56 divided by 3. So it will be minus 56 divided by 3. Now it's equal to 32 len 2 power 3 minus 4 len 2 minus 56 divided by 3. So it's equal to 32 multiplied by 3 len 2 minus 4 len 2 minus 56 divided by 3. So it's equal to, let us bring our calculator, 32 multiplied by 3 minus 4, 92. So 92 len 2 minus 56 divided by 3. And this is the answer of the question. He needs in the form of len 2. So A is equal to minus 56 divided by 3 and B is equal to 92. Okay, let us start the last question. Figure 5 shows a sketch of the curve C1 and C2. C1 has equation y equal to 3 plus ex plus 1. C2 has equation y equal to 10 minus e for x. Given that C1 and C2 cut y-axis at point B and Q respectively, find the exact distance BQ. So he needs the distance, so I need the y of B and y of Q. So to start to solve this part, this is part A. Now x, B and Q equal to 0. So let us start now. Y B equal to 3 plus E 0 plus 1. So it's equal to 3 plus E. Y Q is equal to 10 minus E power 0. So 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Now distance BQ is equal to Q minus B. So it's 9y, of course this is y, minus y. So 9 minus 3 plus E. So BQ is equal to 9 minus 3 minus E. So 6 minus E. So the length BQ is equal to 6 minus E. And this is the answer of the question. C1 and C2 intersected at point R, which is this point R. Find the exact coordinate of R, so equal. We make the equation, both equation is equal. So this is B. So R at Y C1 is equal to Y C2. So 3 plus E x plus 1 is equal to 10 minus E x. So E x plus 1 plus E x is equal to 10 minus 3 equal to 7. So E x as a common factor, E power 1 plus 1 equal to 7. So E x is equal to 7 divided by E plus 1. Let us take len both direction. So x will equal to len 7 divided by E plus 1. Now this is the x coordinate of R. This is the x coordinate of R. To find the y coordinate, y equal to 10 minus E of x, so it's equal to 10 minus E len 7 divided by E plus 1. So E len 7 is equal to the same, so 10 minus 7 divided by E plus 1 is equal to E plus 1, 10 multiplied by E plus 1 minus 7. So it's equal to 10E plus 10 minus 7 divided by E plus 1. So it's equal to 10E plus 3 divided by E plus 1. So the coordinates are equal to x coordinate is equal to len 7 divided by E plus 1, and the y coordinate 10E plus 3 divided by E plus 1. This is the coordinates of the point R, and this is the end of this exam. Good luck. Bye.